All right, YouTube, welcome back to Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified, and I am Puri. And in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of encouragement. I wanted to encourage you guys on thinking bigger outside of this, because at some point it's going to be lifted and we're all going to be able to do and go about our normal lives. So a lot of people always talk about multiple streams of income. I'm going to give you guys my multiple streams of income. Maybe you can, add this into your streams or think about doing these things. Again, I preach starting where you can, starting with what you have to get to where you want to be. I never dreamed of owning a cleaning company, but this was the easiest way to get into the game of business ownership to now being an investor. So in this video, multiple streams of income. Guys, here's my multiple streams. I'm going to give you my multiple streams. 1, business ownership. I still own and control businesses. 2, promissory notes. I hold promissory notes on different cash flow and assets. So in that game, it's who owes who. 3, we do Airbnb. And I can't say that it's slowed down. There's still planes coming. There's still people looking, but we don't want germs in our property. And so for us, no Airbnb money. I consult and I sell courses. So those would be all of my streams of income. I would ask you guys to list all of your streams of income and how you can increase them. Conversely, if you have only one stream of income that could have been your job and you no longer have that, let's think about ways to lift our spirits. And I feel like everyone with an exchange of currency, their spirits will be lifted. So here's what I want you guys to do. Look around your house for something that you no longer want, no longer use, and then list it somewhere. Craigslist, Let-Go, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, Thrifty Nickel, whatever you can find, in the hopes to just get an exchange of currency. Why am I saying that? Because doing something, selling something, but getting money in return, it's a boost. It's a drive. It makes you want to do more. This is why business owners are looking at this like, okay, well, what opportunity is there? What problem can I solve? Where's there a solution? Or where's there a problem lacking a solution? So I want you guys to get into that mindset. So if you have a camera, an old phone, a computer, a tablet, a Kindle, hell, even some books, some good books, put them online and see if you can get someone to give you their money. Please believe people are spending money right now. The stimulus checks are rolling out. People have money to spend. So if you can provide them with a product or provide them with a service, they will give you their money. So just think about it. If you're getting down and you're wondering, man, this is never going to come through for me, this is never going to happen for me, what can I do? Think of selling something just to get the instant gratification and satisfaction of being able to create an economy. Create your own economy, in essence. That's what I'm asking you to do. Now, I'm not asking you to become a reseller, no more than I'm begging you to become a cleaner. But what I'm saying is there are certain avenues that you could start and get your foot in the door with little to no money out of your pocket. Create some cash flow. Sit back, think if this is something you want to systemize and put a process behind to continue getting that cash flow, or if great, this is going to be a hustle for me and then I'm going to do something else. Once you have the tools and you successfully build one business from the ground up, one business from scratch, it's like riding a bike. You'll never lose those abilities. You'll never lose those talents. And more or less, you'll never lose that drive. You'll always be looking for problems to solve. You'll always have cash flow coming in. So I just wanted to come, give you guys a little bit of encouragement. If you're, stumped, wondering what you're going to do next, if you got that stimulus check and you're going to go spend it, make sure you jump down in the description box and get the course, so at least you'll have systems and processes. And understand this, I come from the angle of a cleaner, but I've consulted with painters, pressure washers, window cleaners, light carpentry work, meaning fencing, decks, those type of things. And the systems and the process works for them as well. So if you are any of those people, if you are a spouse of any of those guys, this system, this process, the blueprint is going to work for everyone. Now is the time. And especially now is the time to niche it down. Construction is still very much considered an essential job, an essential asset. It is still going on in a lot of your guys' community. So why not start with construction cleaning? The pressure washer, the window cleaner, the painter, the cleaner. Because it's always going to be there. And I guarantee if you guys look around, they're building senior living communities like no tomorrow. I can guarantee you they're building hotels like no tomorrow. And those senior living communities are usually in 3 phases, maybe 4. Active, memory care, assisted. Oh, and that dime breaker, that pinky number, is the retail. There is money to be made right now, guys. So if you are without car, if you are, whatever your circumstance is, the first thing you can do is change your mindset. Look around whatever you have in your house. If you don't use it, you don't want it, you don't care for it, list it for sale. Get currency in exchange for your time and your service. And I guarantee you, you'll get that boost that you need. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell below so you guys can get information or get notified, whatever they say when the new videos drop, whatever you're supposed to do. Be sure to do that. And more importantly, you got $99. You going to spend that $99 somewhere? Get the course. Get it for a friend. Get it for your child. Get it for yourself. Get it for someone, because the information is there and it's there for the taking. So, all right, guys, peace.